Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use the scanner on your Brother DCP-T310.
Step 1. Connect printer. Plug in the printer and connect it to your PC via USB. Step 2. Install drivers. Download and install the full driver from Brother's website. Step 3. Open Scan software on Windows. Open Control Center 4 or Windows Fax and Scan. On Mac, open Brother ePrint and Scan or Image Capture. Step 4. Place document. Lift the scanner lid and place your paper face down on the glass. Step 5. Choose Scan settings. Select document or photo. Choose file type, PDF, JPG, and folder location. Step 6. Start scan. Click Scan. The scanned file will appear in your chosen folder. Step 7. Optional, scan to email and send directly. Set up your email and send directly.